Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle confidential mode in Gmail. So for you to be able to toggle on confidential mode in Gmail, you have to set up email your inbox. So right now I can see the email box option is open. So from here you can add the recipient, then the service, the body of the message. Once you are done, then come down here and click on toggle confidential mode. Once you turn this on, this actually give the privilege of sending in response will not be able to forward or copy the mail or print, even download it. So actually that is the main purpose of the confidential mode. And also you can set an expiration date for this confidential mode to be active. So we end up sending a mail now, and this option is actually on. So I can set an expiring date for the response, and so once the expiry date is off, then the person will be able to forward, copy or print or download the email. So right now I'm just going to set an expiry date. So I'll set an expiry date to be 1 week. After 1 week, passcode will be generated by Google and it will be sent for this to be lifted. And once that paper, I can easily save them. Then I'll proceed with that. That's it. Find it for like and for me. Thank you.